At JN Plus, we're dedicated to transforming workplaces into environments of respect and support, particularly for those living with HIV and AIDS. Through our strategic partnership with the JMEA on the Beyond Labels project, we've had targeted sensitization sessions across the manufacturing sector. We've conducted 4 sessions in various manufacturing communities focusing on the realities of HIV, the importance of inclusivity, and strategies for creating stigma-free workplace environments. These trainings were designed to dispel misconceptions surrounding HIV and AIDS and to foster a culture of respect and inclusivity. By directly addressing the challenges faced by individuals with HIV and AIDS, we empower and support our communities. Our efforts are not just aimed at education, but at real change. Building workplaces where everyone, regardless of their health status, can thrive with dignity and equity. Join us on this mission to create a stigma-free and inclusive manufacturing sector.